Hello students, welcome in the class. Today our topic is present perfect continuous tense. Here this is present perfect continuous tense. It is used to express the duration of an action that started sometime in the past and is still continuing in the present. यानी कि जब कोई वर्क पास्ट में स्टार्ट हो चुका है बट प्रेजेंट में अभी भी कंटिन्यू है, देन इट विल कम इन द कैटेगरी ऑफ प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस. एज यू कैन सी द नेम ऑल्सो, present perfect. In the perfect tense we see that the work has completed, and in the continuous we see that the work is in continue form. So if the work is started in the past and still continue in the present, then it is present continuous tense. If the sentence in Hindi, you will find रहा है, रही है plus समय, means रहा है, रही है. It is the identification of present continuous also. So you will find time also in this sentence with रहा है, रही है. Its helping verb is has been and have been. Has been and have been. Has is used with singular and he, she, it pronoun, and have is used with plural and I, we, you, they. I, we, you, and they, and all plural subject. In this tense, we use since and for also. As there's time in this sentence, that's why we add time by using since and for as a connecting word. Since is used for point of time, means certain time. If any fixed time, any certain time is given in the sentence, and for is used for period of time, means uncertain time. Like if there is given any part of day like morning, afternoon, then it's confirmed that we are talking about any part of the day. That's why we use since here. Any name of month like January, February, any day, any year, then we use since. Otherwise we use for. Like if it is given 2 hours, then 2 hours is a period of time, not point of time. 2 hours, 5 hours, 2 months, 2 years. So with these kind of words we use for. I hope it is clear. Now see the structure of affirmative sentence. In affirmative we use subject at first, then has, have, then be, and ing with the verb, object, since and for, and at last time. As you can see the example, they have been working here for 5 years. In this sentence 5 years is a period of time. 5 साल, it's not a point of time, it's not a confirmed time. Confirm year is not given there. That's why we use for here. They have been working here for 5 years. वे यहाँ पर 5 सालों से काम कर रहे हैं. So you will find रहा है, रही है and time also in this sentence. That's why it is present perfect continuous. Negative structure is subject, has, have, then not, and after it be, first form of verb, ing in the verb, object, at last since for with time. You can see the example. He has not been doing his work since 2 o'clock. Here point of time is given. 2 o'clock is a fixed time. That's why we use since here. वह 2 बजे से अपना काम नहीं कर रहा है. So it is negative present perfect continuous. Next you can see the interrogative structure. As you already know, there are 2 types of interrogative. First, which starts with helping verb, and second, which with interrogative verb. At first we will see first kind. In the first kind of interrogative we use helping verb, then subject, and then Been, first form of verb, ing, object, since for, time, and in the last, question mark. Remember, you have to use subject in between the has, have, and been. Now see the example. Has she been drawing this picture since morning? क्या वह सुबह से इस पिक्चर को बना रही है? Here you find the fixed time, morning. Morning is a fixed period of time. That's why we use since here. And has used because it is interrogative. And you can see this kind of sentence starts with क्या in Hindi. क्या वह सुबह से इस पिक्चर को ड्रॉ कर रही है? इस पिक्चर के लिए चित्र वर्ड भी यूज कर सकते हैं हिंदी में. नाउ सेकंड टाइप ऑफ interrogative word first, then has a subject, we, first form of verb, ing, object, since for, time, and in the last, question mark. You can see the example. Which book have you been reading for 2 hours? 2 hours, again it is a period of time, that's why we use for here. It's not a fixed time. You cannot say then what's time is, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, we cannot say clearly about it. That's why we use for here because it is uncertain time. Which book have you been reading for 2 hours? आप 2 घंटे से कौन सी किताब पढ़ रहे हैं? ये which is interrogative word. कौन सा and कौन सी के लिए हम which का यूज करते हैं. So in this kind of sentence you will find any interrogative word in between the sentence in Hindi. Now you can see some example also which you have to translate in English. First one is क्या सीता 5 बजे से खाना बना रही है? So क्या means ये interrogative, first type of interrogative. That's why we use has and have in the beginning. क्या सीता, सीता is singular, that's why we use has here. Has सीता been, खाना बनाने की इंग्लिश होती है cooking. Has Sita been cooking the food 5 बजे से, 5 बजे, it's a fixed time, that's why we use since here. Since 5 o'clock. Had Sita been cooking the food since 5 o'clock. Second one, हम 2 घंटे से फुटबॉल खेल रहे हैं. So you will find time and रहा है रही है, that means it is present, perfect, continuous and affirmative. So हम की इंग्लिश है we and we is plural, that's why we use have here. We have been, खेल रहे हैं playing, football, it is an object, football 2 घंटे से, 2 घंटे, it is also uncertain time, that's why we use for here. For 2 hours, HOURS. We have been playing football for 2 hours. Next one, वे 2 बजे से अपना कार्य नहीं कर रहे हैं. It is a negative sentence. वे 2 बजे से अपना कार्य नहीं कर रहे हैं. दे की इंग्लिश है वे, वे की इंग्लिश दे. They have not been doing, देर के लिए हम देर वर्ड यहाँ अपना के लिए यूज होगा बिकॉज दे इज सब्जेक्ट. दे हैव नॉट बीन डूइंग देयर वर्क 2 बजे से, 2 बजे, इट इज अ कंफर्म टाइम, दैट्स व्हाई वी यूज सिंस हियर. सिंस 2 o'clock. They have not been doing their work since 2 o'clock. I hope it's clear. Thank you.